Hello everyone. Now I would like to discuss about what are the functions that are present in the Excel. One, and. And function is used to define if both conditions are true, then it will return true. Else it returns false. For example, it is the Excel. It is a table that are present in the Excel. In this Excel, we have to perform the and condition. If B2 is equal to 5, uh, if in the if in B2 column it present if in the B2 column if it is present grass, and in C2 column it if it present greater than number greater than 70, then it will return the true. Otherwise it returns false. In this condition, B2 is grass and C2 is 60. It is not greater than 70, so it returns false. If and conditions, both if and conditions are performed at a time. Hmm. In this case, if B2 is equal to 5 and B2 C2 greater than 60, then it returns the yes. Otherwise, no. Here it is not it is false, so it returns the false conditions. Average of numbers. Finding the average of numbers, we have to take the numbers as in the Excel, and we have to drag them up to A1 to A5. After dragging them, then we have to write the condition as is equal to average of A1 is to A5. And also we can apply with the function average if condition. uh, uh, it only calculates the average if the condition is satisfied. Mm. Here in this picture, if the average, we have to mention first range and then criteria. Here we are calculating average if B2 to B10. B2 to B2 to B10 is to C E5 is to E5, that is water. If B2 to B10 is grass, then it will print the average of numbers. It calculates the average if the condition satisfies. Average ifs, it is for more than here you have calculated only for water. If both the conditions for water and fire, then we have to calculate the we will calculate the average. This is the average if condition. Concat condition. In concat condition, we can combine the two strings. If this normal concat condition is only for two strings, and we can also declare the comment section with apostrophe symbols and comma. A2 is A2 apostrophe A3. Count count function will count the how many numbers are how many numbers are there. Count of the numbers. Count function is only applied for the numbers. Count A, it is applied for both numbers and strings. We have to mention the range in between them. Count A function. Count blank. If the Excel if the values are blank, then it will count the how many blank spaces are there. Count if, it is the function if condition followed by count function. If condition is satisfied, mm, count ifs. If water, count ifs is if condition. In if two conditions are there, if water and gen greater than 1, then it will count. In this case we will use the count ifs function. If is used for if b2 is equal to grass, then print as otherwise no. If ifs is used for two conditions. Two conditions. If C2 greater than 90, if C2 greater than 90 fast, then if C2 greater than 50, then normal. The C2 less than or equal to small. If for these three conditions we use the ifs. More than one or two conditions, we will use the ifs for multiple statements. Left. Left function returns the leftmost letter of the function is equal to left of a2. That is, in a2 it present a2 is a2 is the word monkey. In monkey, word is m, so it prints the m. A2 is to a2 comma 2. This 3 is the how many letters we want to print. And also we can print from five sequence of letters, that is monkey, donkey, etc. Are there in the list of elements. We will print the leftmost derivatives of those three elements. Lower. Lower function is used to convert the higher case letters to lower case letters. And by using the range, we will convert the whole A2 to A10 listed elements into lower cases. Max. Max function is used to find what is the maximum element that are present in it. Median. Median is used to calculate the middle number of the elements. Minimum. Min is used to calculate the minimum value present from A1 to A10. Mode. Mode will calculate the mode of the values. Mode.sngl of range. NPV function is a net present value. It will calculate the net value of the function. That is followed by discount. There are particular sum of numbers are there and their discount. Then it will follows. It will calculates the discount. Net present value. Or condition. Or condition is used when if any of the two statements are true, then it returns true.